Find the coordinates of the vertices of each figure after the given transformation. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the pre-image ordered pairs. Now this step is optional. It is just a way for you to keep your information organized, that way that you don't get confused. Next, we are going to actually substitute our values into this function. I'm just going to draw arrows so that we can see that we're moving from one thing to the next. So we see here in the function that the x value does not change. So I'm simply just going to rewrite each x value. -4, -3, and 1. Now we see we have y plus 1. So I'm going to rewrite each y value and then add a +1 at the end. So -5 plus 1, 0 plus 1, -4 plus 1. Okay? And again, this step is optional as well, but for anyone who struggles with the process, you need to go all the way through it. Okay? Don't take any shortcuts if you struggle in any way whatsoever. So now we're ready to write our image ordered pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and write my labels. Remember, you have to use the prime symbols, G prime, F prime, and E prime. So for this ordered pair, it is -4. And then -5 plus 1 is -4. -3. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1. -4 plus 1 is -3. All right, let's try another one. Again, I'm going to start by rewriting my pre-image ordered pairs. And again, this step is highly suggested if you struggle and if you can't remember the process too well. Okay, so now again, I'm going to substitute my ordered pairs into the function. So we see we have x minus 7. So I'm going to take each x value and I'm going to subtract 7. So 0 minus 7, 1 minus 7, 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7. Okay, and our y values stay the same. So I'm just going to bring those over. -3, 1, 1, -1. Okay, now Q prime, R prime, S prime, and T prime. 0 minus 7 is -7. 1 minus 7 is -6. Excuse me, 5 minus 7 is -2. 5 minus 7 is -2. All right, for our last example, we're going to follow that same process. F is 5, 0. G is 3, -3. Okay, so for this one, we see that we're actually going to be changing both the x and the y value. So the x minus 4, so 1 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 3 minus 4. Y minus 2, -1 minus 2, 0 minus 2, -3 minus 2. Just clean that up a little bit. And now we're ready to write our final answers. 1 minus 4 is -3. -1 minus 2 is -3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0 minus 2 is -2. 3 minus 4 is -1. -3 minus 2 is -5.